this short introduction for European Travel Marketplace North America, which is taking place on Tuesday, the 21st of March, 2023. In this video, I'll just give a quick rundown of the platform that we'll be using and the format of the event, just so that you're prepared in advance for the meetings taking place on that day. So you should have all received your login, or you will receive your login near to the time of the event, and this will give you access to the portal, which will be the base of the event throughout the workshop on Tuesday. You will visit this login screen, which is some brief introductions of what needs to be done. There's some new functions on here if you've been to our previous events. All you need to do is make sure that you go down the hardware, make sure the right stuff is accepted. You may need to give approval to your browser to use this. At the moment, I'm already using a camera, so it won't allow me to add another one. And it will test your network. Once that's through, you'll be taken to the main page of the event, as well as, if you're logging for the first time to upload some more information on your profile, just so that you can better interact with the delegates. So I'm using one of my colleagues' information here. You can add as much or as little information as you like for this profile. Select the correct time zone for your browser. So you probably want to use your own, but bear in mind that the schedule will follow one time, obviously, and that is CET for the European delegates. So you can select as much or as little as your profile as you'd like to be displayed, and then you're onto the main agenda page. On here, you will see all your scheduled meetings. This will be the kind of base of your day throughout the workshop. You will follow each meeting, log into them, and you'll be able to take notes. You'll be able to give a bit more profile of the attendee, all of which you'll be able to export after the event. So it's a very quick turnaround. We're doing 10-minute events, 10-minute meetings on this event. So you'll have to keep an eye on the clock throughout the day. Outside of the assigned meetings, you can also check out the meeting hub, where all of the delegates in attendance are based. So if you want to collect their details, all you need to do is reach out to them and make a connection. You can also do some ad hoc meetings using that function too. Check out our sponsors for the day. They'll be rotating around here. And then if you need any help, use the live support function just here, and a member of the team will be available to assist. The meetings have been assigned based on preferences submitted by buyers and suppliers. We use these preferences to maximize the number of meetings that we can assign. Bear in mind that these are quick 10-minute introductory meetings, the purpose of which is to make a quick introduction about your needs and requirements. Whether you're a buyer or a supplier, you should express these as succinctly as possible to your counterpart. The format is as such that you can have a quick introduction that can be a basis of a subsequent follow-up, or indeed, if it's not a great match for the moment, then you've made the exchange of details and you're in touch just in case it becomes a good match further down the line, either in your current role or future roles. It's always good to know as many people in the industry as possible. So please respect the agenda, but reach out to everybody that you don't manage to contact as well via the meeting hub.